My name is Abdurashid. This is my testimony about my brother Abduvali Abdurashid, a forced laborer in Chinese concentration camps. So now we have a completely different situation, especially I am experiencing by myself the situation because 2015 my only brother has been arrested. I remember exactly the date, it was 12th of July. I got a message from my sister, and saying my brother has been taken to the police station and they don't get any information. So my brother has been arrested. And then one day after they told me, yes, he's taken away. I was trying to contact my ex-colleagues or friends to find out where he is taken and what happened, why. But then I didn't get any answer. And my sister was telling me after a week, brother, please don't try anything. Everything is fine. My brother will be taken away for some time. But then I didn't stop asking and contacting the people. After a month, I got news that he is arrested for 10 years. And he is taken away to a place like one day driving distance from our place, and he's taken into prison. And I was trying very hard to find out the reason, but I didn't get answer until 2016. So the reason was my brother had a party with his friends together between 2012 and 14, so it was like 2 years. And then they stopped this party because there was a call from the government. So any gathering will not be anymore tolerated. Doesn't matter what kind of party that is. So they stopped. Then 2015, they had a call to ask everybody they shouldn't hide anything from the government. And so if they say honestly what they did during the past, then they will not get punished. If so, they don't tell it. If the government finds that out, then they will be punished very hardly. And so one of them went to the police station and told the story that they had a gathering between 2012 and 14, and then they arrested everybody from this tea party. So my brother is one of them, and the people has been punished between 4 and 17 years, only because they had a party at home. And could be that during the party there was a Ramadan period, or there are people probably practicing the religion and they prayed at home. So that could be one of the reasons. But in free society, everybody is free to pray, everybody free to make a party. But anyway, my brother now sitting in the prison since 5 years. Once my sister left me a message and saying, brother greeted you and he would like to see you very much. And I told her, so yes, I am planning a visit. That was 2016. I would like to visit him. So ask the police whether I can visit him if I go back once more. And she said, okay, I will ask. And then she contacted the police and they say, yes, he is very welcome. So under one condition, which is I should visit the prison and I give a speech to those people sitting in the prison and telling them, because I was not religious, I was not doing any religious activity, and I studied communism very well, and I was selected from the Chinese government to study abroad. That's why I have a good life today. And those people sitting in the prison, they are stupid people because they didn't choose communism to study. They have chosen religion instead. For that reason, they are sitting in the prison. And so I should be giving them as an example. I'm a model person for them. And I said, no, I don't go back then. I don't see my brother. it was like 4 pages of letter, and he was explaining when he stands up, when he does the gymnastic, and when he has his study, when he learns Chinese, and when he works in the factory, and then he comes back, he takes a shower and look at any film he wants, and then he can eat anything it can be available, like a lot of meats and a lot of vegetables. So it was for me like all-inclusive 5-star hotel. So then I realized somebody was telling him to write exactly this letter and send me. So then I can make propaganda for the Chinese prison. I don't know what is the idea behind. Anyway, he wrote me this letter. But then asked him what he is doing in the prison. And then my brother explained the schedule, what they are doing in a day. So mostly it's political study. And the one thing what he said is very important for me. He is working in a factory producing charger for the mobile telephone. So each time when I charge my mobile phone, I always think probably my charger from my phone, from Samsung, probably produced by my brother. Because now it's coming out more and more. Big international companies like Apple, Samsung, Nike are producing their goods in China, especially in our region. Probably it's in concentration camps, in this camps with a forced labor.